fire?
In our tender. Yeah, in our tender. For the breakfast, okay?
Bundle.
All right, so now we're going to load this thing. Put the pencil point into the string, between the string and the bow, and then we're just going to wrap it in there. Something like this, okay? Let's see. Yeah, you guys will be doing that. That'll be fine. All right, you hold that end of the bow. Now, don't pull it until we get everything set up and ready to go, okay? All right, you get the other end of the bow. You gonna hold that?
Yes. So the mosquitoes bite.
Mosquitoes do bite, yes. They're blood suckers. All right, hold on. We got to move this in a little bit so that it'll be upright. Now, this spindle needs to be plumb. Does anybody know what plumb means?
Smooth. I mean, a plumb is smooth.
Center and stable.
It needs to be vertical.
Oh.
Okay, as vertical as we can get it. Don't pull yet. If you pull before I get it all set up, it'll pop out. Okay, let go. I got you.
Yesterday.
Oh, I didn't know you were behind me.
All right, here we go. Y'all hold the bow. Go up under.
Don't
hold the
pull.
bow. Hold the bow. Now, when you're pulling, you might want to turn your body so you can do it like we did the salt.
Which way?
To the side, the other side. There you go. So you can pull past your body. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. You find the socket for that. Let's get this out a little bit. Does that look straight up and down, vertical?
No.
Looks pretty close.
Yeah, what's the
Y'all good with it? Okay, let me get set up here with my feet because I'm going to hold the hearthboard and the spindle down while you guys are doing the bowing. Y'all are doing all the heavy work. Okay, now, in just a moment, I'm going to say switch. And when I say switch,
You mean switch?
just listen, I'll tell you. When I say switch, you're going to pass your end of the bow off to tie. Okay? You are going to stand over here when I say switch. Come over here, Kendarius, and wait right there. Back up just a little bit. There you go. So you don't get hit with the bow. Now, when I say switch, he's going to grab your end, and they're going to keep spinning, okay? Who's ready? Y'all ready? You ready for this? All right, here we go. Let's see if we can't get us a ember. Now, when we start spinning this, what our goal is not to create fire immediately, but to fill up this notch with that pulverized char dust. Okay, that charred material that goes in there. Once it gets in there, we'll reach a certain temperature where hopefully this char dust will begin to glow, spontaneously combust from the heat. That string. All right, now let's go ahead and get some dust built up. I'm already seeing wisps of smoke, but we don't really care about the smoke right now. Look where the string is. There you go. We want to build up. We got to build up some. Stop right there. Now, y'all using about a foot of the string. How long is that string?
Real long.
It's probably 2.5 feet. 2.5 feet long. So what needs to happen is, when you push, you need to push all the way up. When he pushes, all the way up. Okay, that way we're using the mechanical advantage of that full string. Y'all ready? All right, let's try it again. Come on. Let go. That is cedar, eastern red cedar, which is actually a juniper. Stop. When you're doing this, your hand's coming up and this string's going to come off up here. So try to keep it horizontal. Here we go. Let's do it. Stay down there. Yeah. Come on. We're getting some smoke, but like I said, we don't get an ember until we fill up that notch in there with the pulverized.
Come down.
All right, we're building up some char. We're building it up. The notch is getting full. All right, stop. Switch.
Woo!
Switch. Come on. All right, let's speed it up.
That smells good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Let's speed it up, boys. Come on. Come on, we got to get the heat on it. We got to get the heat.
Come on, dude.
Faster. Faster. Faster.
No.
All right, stop right there. It looks like we got an ember. Looks like we have an ember.
That don't smell so good. Bro.
All right. So now, all right, everybody come look. Hey, over here, guys.
Hey, boys, pay attention over here.
Hey, everybody over here, look. Look what we just did. We just created the miracle of fire by rubbing sticks together. Can you imagine if you, it's hot. It's hot. Yeah, you feel it?
Yeah.
So yeah, this right here is an ember that's burning because we reached that critical temperature that caused it to spontaneously combust. So someone hold that up for me and let me get this out. Now look at all the char dust we created. That's a huge ember. And all this char dust, I'm gonna leave it right there because I'm gonna show you the science behind that later. But look what we got going. I'm gonna blow on it nice and gentle. Now inside there's a fire, but it's not flames. So we're gonna take it over to the nest, to our tinder nest over there, and see if we can't get that going. All right, you can set that back down, buddy. Thank you.
It's already flaming up. You got it going on there.
Well, the smoke is coming because
No, I
of
can
the
see
wind.
the sparks on this side.
Yeah, you can see the flame, not flames, but you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. All right, where's the breakfast? We got breakfast? All right. Who are the four that helped with this today? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this into the bundle. You hold it. You hold that.
We just gotta watch.
Okay.
Could have helped.
We just gotta watch.
Can y'all see this? Look at the ember on that thing. That's a lot of char dust. All right, let's put that in there.
Now push it out.
Try to get that in there too. Just so we have more heat. All right, now before you blow, you want to take that baby egg, that fire egg,
You
just
about
kind
to
of
cook
like that.
noodles?
There you go. Leave your hand. Leave your
You
hand.
about to cook noodles?
Yeah. Ramen
Okay,
noodles.
who's next? Come on, we're all gonna blow. Those of you. Y'all spun? Wait. Hold up. This is how we're gonna do it. You're gonna hold it.
Jay, you might want them on your
When you're holding it, look, hold it head high and find out where the wind is blowing. The wind's blowing that way. I'm going to turn my body so I don't breathe in all that smoke. So from right here is where you're going. There you go. So back up. So give him room. He's got to turn. All right. Blow it. Pucker up like you're kissing a girl. All right, good. You're getting there. All right, stop right there.
Oh.
I don't want it to burn yet. I want everybody to get a
Boy,
get a chance. Come here. Somebody else got to blow this.
You crazy.
If you come here, blow it.
Yeah.
Come here.
Touching the fire, oh man.
Blow right in. You see the fire? You see it? Perfect. Come here. You helped. Blow. Yes, you did. Blow in there.
Go.
Go before it's catching on fire, man. We're using this?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's lunch.
That's breakfast, boy.
You get to blow now. We've already got fire.
That's lunch.
You're gonna be the one who blows all in the fire. Blow harder. Blow it right in there. See that?
His breath is fire by itself.
There it is. Good. Okay, guys, here we go. We got the magical fire going. Which way does fire eat? Up. So we want to put this in, but when we do, we want to lay it over. Okay, right there. Now, let's put our lunch on top of that.
Shouldn't we take the tail and put it over so it can
It'll burn. Put the lunch on top. Grab the whole bunch of it. Grab all that. Just put it right on top. There we go. We got it going.
Right. You want this one?
Yeah, put it on top. Fire needs to eat.
That is a seat, man.
Put it on top. Here's a
I'm
blow tube.
suffocated.
One of those things that
Blow right in the bottom, not on top. Blow on the bottom. Don't put that in the fire though. Hey, get right here. Get right here. See what that is?
I ain't got no warrant right now.
Good. So now we have fire. Now, this lunch that we fixed for it, not gonna last long. So we probably need to get some more on there. Don't you think?
Yes.
All right, let's get some more on there. Great job, by the way, folks. Good job on the fire. Hey.